Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out the Power Serum Ampules from Dr. Babor, and this is the Ceramide set. This is a 7-day set that has a combination of ceramides, niacinamides, and hyaluronic acid. So what I'm going to expect to see over the next 7 days is a renewed skin barrier, an overall brighter, more even skin tone, as well as hydration. Now, 7 days is not a lot of time to ask for that, but I'm excited to see what can happen in 7 days. This is what the ampules look like. They're little glass jars like this. They each are like this. And in addition, they come with instructions as well as a little opener, which one already is preloaded. So they come with a little opener in case you don't want to open them by hand. So I am starting with a double cleanse face. I had no makeup on. I cleansed my face twice just to make sure it was super fresh. And this is the before, and let's see how it looks after 7 days of this. So with these, you're going to want to, well, it looks like this is already on, so I'm not going to take this off, but you're going to want to shake it very well. You can see it's kind of it's not clear, it's a little kind of milky cloudy serum. So you want to shake it very well. And then you have two options. You can either pop the top or you can use this. So today I'm going to use this since it's already on. Okay, the top pops pretty easily actually, even with the applicator on. And then you have this and this. So it is glass. You're going to want to dump the entire ampule into your hand. Get all of that goodness in there. In your hand, but don't let anything fall out, and then just start putting it all over your skin. I'm gonna put it all over, and then I will go through and pat it in. Don't forget your neck, as well as your décolleté. And anytime I have extra, which there's so much on here, I put it on my hands too, because we can't forget about making sure that we give the anti-aging benefits to our hands. So this is so far super hydrating. It's actually really refreshing feeling. And now I'm going to go ahead and give myself a massage with this. Normally if I had my gua sha, I would do that, but I'm just going to use my hands, get it all in there, do some of this, and let's see what it looks like after first application when things are dried down. So on the ingredients, it did say, on the instructions, it did say after putting it on and letting it dry, you do want to follow with a moisturizer. Specifically, it says Babor moisturizer, but I'm going to probably follow with a different moisturizer because I just don't think I have a Babor moisturizer. But so far it feels good. It does still feel a little tacky, so I'm going to keep doing this. I do have it under my eyes too, so you can kind of see. There is a nice plumpness to my skin right now. It also looks like, let's see, I don't know that I'm noticing a huge difference except for the hydration aspect, which is nice. But let's see what it does to my complexion after 7 days. So I will go ahead and keep you updated, but for now what I'm going to be doing is incorporating this as part of my daytime routine, and I'm not going to be changing anything else about it, just so I can see what it does. Alright, let's see what it does. Hi, I'm back. It has been a week of using this Dr. Babor's Power Serum Ampules. This has ceramides, niacinamides, hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to help with moisture loss as well as protecting and repairing the skin's natural barrier. And so I'm happy to share with you what I learned along the way. I'm not sure I'm seeing a huge difference in my skin. It does look plump, but I would have to look at the before and after, which I'll post to see if it's a big difference over the 7 days. That being said, my skin does look very moisturized, and it was pretty moisturized to begin with, so I wasn't dealing with a damaged barrier or anything. But if you do have a damaged barrier, or maybe you got a lot of sun and you're burnt, I think this could be really great. A few things I learned. One is it comes with instructions. They are hidden in the back here, right here. I don't think it's necessary to read them, but it's nice to know that they're there. I am on the last day, which I'm going to apply. So once again, this is the number 7 or day 7 ampule, the ceramide. I'm going to shake it very well. It does come with this nifty little device to help you break it, but if you don't have it or if you lose it, then you can always grab a tissue to kind of break this off. I also like to do this to make sure all of the serum goes down, and you just pop this on, then you can pop it. And it pops really easily. It is glass, but it pops easily. So when I first did this, I poured everything into my hand and it was kind of gloppy and getting all over. So one of the things I realized is you can put it in your hand, just a little bit. You don't have to use the whole thing. Work it in, put it all over your face. I actually like to apply as much as I can all over my face. I'm also going to put some on my neck and décolleté. And the nice thing about this is there's actually a lot of serum in this little ampule. So I think you could actually share it, especially if you're opening it and you're not sure what to do with it. You could share it with someone else. There's so much in here. In fact, I've already done my neck, I've done my face, doing the back of my neck, I'm doing my décolleté, and I still have, as long as I don't spill it, all of this left. So at this point, I'm putting a little bit more on my face. And then I'm going to actually pat it in. And then I just start putting it other places. So I still have some more. I'm gonna put some on my elbows, put some on my hands. So everything's really nicely moisturized. I'm gonna now pat it in and then do some facial massages. It also did say after you do this to follow up with a Babor moisturizer. I don't have a Babor moisturizer that I would use, but I do have this No-Tox daily cream that I really like to follow up with. So I'm gonna wait till my skin's a little less tacky because I do want to make sure that I'm kind of waiting to dry. But in the meantime, I'm looking a little tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some little bit of eye cream on. Now this is from 8 Saints. This is the Wonderful Plumping Eye Cream. It comes with a metal applicator, which I love these, especially for travel. They're super cooling. They feel amazing, and I think they just do a really nice job of quick plumping. So I like to use this in the morning, especially when I'm super tired or wake up looking super tired. So by this point, I think my face is mostly dry, or at least not super tacky. I can go ahead and put on this cream. And what I love about this is kind of a Botox alternative. And while it's not going to be the same as Botox, it does have some of the same properties in terms of kind of helping to temporarily freeze your muscles. So I really do like using this, and I do put it all over everywhere that I put the ceramide or the Babor cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. And I was starting with a super double clean face, so now I'm just kind of putting on my moisturizer. I still have to put on SPF. I'm getting this everywhere, but at least I have a good base kind of while I wait for this to dry, and then I can show you what it looks like to kind of compare between day 1 and day 7 of this treatment. So this is kind of where I'm ending up. My skin does look glowy and nice after, you know, just those 2 creams. I think this is a good product. There's different types of ampules. This is the ceramide. I think I'd probably get more use out of maybe the retinol, so that would be something I'd be interested in. But I had the ceramide, and so I used it, and you know, for $60 for a 7-day treatment, I think it could be nice, especially if your skin's in need of that intense moisture, or to prevent the moisture loss, or even, like I said, to kind of help with the barrier. If you've got burnt, if your skin's super dry, or, you know, just super stressed out, I think that's all great. I think this could be really nice. So thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below if you have tried this out, if you've tried other ones, what you like, what you don't like. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and check out my next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.